Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate Arduino Homework 2, which is a program that uses buttons to control a LED switch. This project showcases core connects such as digital input and output, button stabilization, and state connect. Firstly, let's look at the hardware connection. I use an Arduino Uno development board, which a LEDs connect to digital pins 2 and 9, and each LED connect in series, which with a 220 current limiting resistor protection component. Connect the button and the analog pin A1 and grow the other end. This connection method is simple and reliable, suitable for beginners to learn. The core of the program is the keys stabilization and staying Philippine or algorithm. When the key changes from high level to low level, the program will delay by 10 ms to eliminate mechanical shrinking. And then confirm the key state again. If the button is indeed processed, flip the volume of the state variable to connect all LED synchronization switches. The key technologies of this project include first key debounce processing to avoid false triggering. Second, state flipping logic use the operator to achieve state switching. Third, base LED connect synchronously controlling multiple output device as roll-ups statements. These technologies are widely applied in digital projects. Now let me demonstrate the actual effect. As you can see, every time you press the button, all the LEDs will synchronously change state. With sensitive and stable response, this simple control system can be extended to more complex scenarios. So these projects I learned the basic programming methods of Arduino's, mastery digital input-output control, and understand the importance of key stabilization. This assignment not only boosts my programming skills, but also deepen my understanding of uh, embedded system development. Thank you for watching.